Have you ever been confused by a feature in a programming tool? It can be frustrating, right? If you're learning Pytest and wondering about quiet mode, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to clarify what quiet mode is and why you might want to use it. I totally get it. When you're diving into documentation, it can feel overwhelming, especially when terms like quiet mode pop up without much explanation. You're not alone in this. Many learners face the same confusion. Here's the specific question we're addressing. One user asked, "What is quiet mode in Pytest, and what is its purpose?" They noticed it mentioned in the documentation with the command -q and wanted to understand what it does. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So what exactly is quiet mode? In Pytest, quiet mode reduces the amount of output you see when running your tests. This can be particularly useful when you want to focus on the results without all the extra information cluttering your screen. And stick around. At the end of this video, I'll share a tip on how to use quiet mode effectively to enhance your testing experience. To understand what quiet mode is in Pytest, the user should know that it reduces the amount of output displayed during test execution. This can be particularly useful when running a large number of tests. When the user runs Pytest with the quiet option, denoted by the flag -q, only essential information is shown. This includes the summary of test results, which helps in focusing on the overall outcome. The user can also combine quiet mode with other options to further customize the output. For example, using -q with -v can provide a balance between minimal output and detailed information. In summary, the user can use quiet mode to streamline their testing experience. This is especially helpful when they want to quickly assess the results without being overwhelmed by details. Fun fact, the term quiet mode is used in various software applications, not just Pytest. It's like a secret weapon for developers who want to streamline their workflow. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. This user explains that using the -q option in Pytest activates quiet mode, which makes the output more concise. They also mention that there are additional options like -qqq for even less output and v for more detailed information. Here's that tip I promised. Try combining quiet mode with other Pytest options to customize your output even further. This can help you tailor your testing experience to your needs. And there you have it. Now you know what quiet mode is and how to use it in Pytest. Remember, using the right options can make your testing more efficient. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.